Hello, my name is Christian Bolt and I'm with NormanCamera, and this is gonna be the first unboxing that I ever do here. Lately, I've been using Sony products more than I have in my entire life. I used to shoot on FDR AX100, one of those camcorders, and I am now shooting on a Sony a6500 in the corner here. It's my B cam. You can kind of compare it to a 6D Mark II, which is the camera that I'm recording here, and this is an a6500. So then you could just kind of compare for yourself about Sony and Canon just while this video is happening. But this is my first unboxing. Lately, I've been super impressed by Sony products, so I am unboxing an RXO. This is Sony's competitor to the GoPro, kind of. This is more like a cinematic look at the action cam industry. Let me tell you a little bit about this. This has a 1-inch CMOS sensor. It has 15.3 megapixels. It's a 24mm f4 camera. It has a super fast shutter at 32,000. It has a super high frame rate at 960 frames per second for super slow motion. We'll be testing that out. You can do multi-cam control. It's waterproof up to 10 meters and 33 feet. It has an hour-long recording time. So the Dolby audio is something that I'm super excited about with this. Other really small action cams that do slow-mo and all that don't focus on audio, but the RXO did. I'm just hoping that the microphone sounds a lot better in this than it does in a GoPro. I feel like cameras should work on their unboxing more, make it more like a phone unboxing, make an experience out of it. So you get a couple different items in here. It's pretty nicely laid out for you. Looks like you get a little hand strap for it, the mini USB, the battery, you get a wall plug-in, and this is the camera itself, and that's everything that was in the box. So this is pretty much the Sony wall charger that you get with everything. This is a super thin battery. I feel like I could break that in half. Now, I've never seen one of these. Already it looks pretty good. Oh, so it has a back LCD. This looks like it's the battery compartment. No. So you could fit, oh, looks like you could put a microphone on this. That is a beautiful front. You can see the two microphones on the bottom there. It is a very industrial looking design with the screws in the front. It looks super rugged. Okay. So I want to shoot a small video at 960 just to see how slow that is. Startup time's pretty fast. And that's on, so that's pretty fast. It's a really small screen. You're not gonna get much. These are super small buttons. The menu system's really small, so that's why I wasn't showing too much of that. Can't really figure out how to get in out of the picture mode. See, oh, figured it out. You press on this right button to get out of the picture mode. So now I'm gonna try to get into the high frame rate. 960 frames per second will be the highest that I've ever shot with a camera. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing this all right. I do a thing with my phone where I flip it, kind of like that. I think that if I could get that in slow motion, that'll be a pretty good test. Okay, ready, set. So I'm guessing it's super small, short videos that you can record. If you're trying to get somebody doing a flip or a bike, you have to be able to time it right to be able to get them. That already looks super sweet, but it looked super cool already. I mean, here's what that video looks like, and you can really see how slow it is. Now I'm just gonna do the simple snap of the fingers. Oh, that's weird. Then I have one more that I want to do. It's going to be the thing. It's going to be nasty. It's going to be so gross. Oh, gross. Oh, it's disgusting, but so cool at the same time. Gosh, I'm such a dork. Obviously, if you're going to be shooting at normal speeds, the only advantage to this is that it's super small. Like with the Sony a6500, the camera that I'm shooting with right here, this one can also do 120 frames per second at 1080p. It can also do 60, 30, and 24 at 1080p. This one can do that too. It's just, this is a smaller body, smaller form factor, smaller sensor. So if you're going to be doing a lot more vlogging and I don't know, you're gonna wanna get the bigger camera because it has more that it can do. But if you're doing more action sports type things and like jumping on trampolines or like doing super cool things that would look really cool in slow-mo, you're gonna be able to get 120 frames per second on some of the other Sony products. But if you're trying to get really unique shots with super slow motion, then the RXO is definitely for you. I'm gonna be saving my official opinion for my official review, so I'm gonna be playing around with this for a little bit, and then I will show you a lot more slow-mo videos, because I think that's what I'm gonna be using this most for, slow-mo videos, maybe some audio tests. So that's pretty much the unboxing of the RX0. You get the camera, you get a little camera strap, you get the plug-in, you get a cord. Yeah, I'm excited to use this camera. I'm excited to play around with it more and maybe even test it out up against a GoPro and some other cameras. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more unboxings or interesting cameras like this one, give me a camera to review and I will try my best to get it and review it or show it or unbox it. So if you have a camera that you like and you want to see me like it as well, leave it down in the comments and I will try my best to look at that camera as well. So thanks for watching this video and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.